we are collecting seeds because it's good for ourselves and for our country.
When we go out camping, we try to tell our younger ones too. They probably think we're mad walking in the heat, collecting seeds. But we tell them, you need to do this. Because you see your country today, all the trees are knocked down. We need to replace them.
Some of the challenges to establish rehabilitation like this is to ensure that we have enough local seed species collected to be able to seed the amount of hectares that we have to rehabilitate each year. Our target seed mix that we use in rehabilitation has evolved over the years. You might see across our rehabilitated landscape, there's some species that are coastal species and don't necessarily occur on the bauxite plateau. But over the years, we've refined our seed species mix in consultation with traditional owners.
I always tell Rio Tinto, we don't want introduced trees to come over from other places. They have been bringing some introduced trees. We want our trees that have been taken off. Please let us pick the seeds. We can put back the trees that we use for our bush medicines, our fruit trees. If we get lost in the bush, we know what to eat and how to survive. The trees are our calendars too.
Going out on country, spending time with family and just having fun, collecting seeds. I have a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old. And then the 3-year-old will say, look, Nana, seed. It doesn't matter what seed, but he's picking up seeds for me.
We're constantly learning and improving our processes to make sure that we can get the best outcomes. To have animals return back into the rehabilitation is hugely significant for traditional owners, so it's really important that we make sure that we get the right vegetation species back. I'd love to be able to come back here and bring my kids back here and show them an area that once was mined is now beautiful bushland.
Oh, I feel really happy. And I tell you, when I went out a couple of years back, I cried because it was the handiworks of our elders that have gone and now not with us. And the trees are growing really nice. I'm really proud of them.